Google Cloud Compute Engine Workstation in the game world. Features include Terminal Shell with SSH key access to Google Cloud Compute Engine, Web browser access to Google Cloud Console, JSON Monitoring Center. All from the game world of Unity. Let's see a demonstration. The first thing we need to do is log into the appropriate Google Cloud project. On the left is the Terminal Shell application. In the center is a web browser. On the right is the Monitoring Center. All connected to the Google Cloud. Let's take a closer look at the Terminal Shell application, using a Compute Engine VM instance. Let's execute some Google Cloud commands. All the typing is coming from a real keyboard, but the virtual keyboard is available. Now let's take a closer look at the Google Cloud Console web pages. Lastly, we have the monitor for Google Cloud using JSON interfaces. When done with the Compute Engine Workstation, just press Close. Here is a list of workstations under development. Thank you for watching. For more information, email us.